my question is to three of you only. Like there are many memes doing all around the internet. So what are your personal favorites, three of yours?
I think my personal favorite is, and a lot of people have been sending me this, is a picture of a very sweet schoolgirl, and then there's my picture, and it's like normal schoolgirls and Karan Johar schoolgirl, and I just think that's really funny, and it's kind of flattering in a way as well, and I really enjoy those.
I like, there's one of me walking away from Tiger, so it's like me walking away from my responsibilities, and like, then even the one where the three of us, where he's holding both of our hands, like we have like different faces morphed on, like pizza, choosing this over that, so I think that's really funny, yeah.
I don't know. I don't know if I can say the one I like. It's a dirty thing.
Same.
But yeah, I won't say it. But the other one that comes to mind is अगर आपने ट्रेलर में नोट किया मैं चार बंदे को एक साथ मारता हूँ हवा में तो that's basically how you know I go about my week. This is how I'd like to go about my week. That's how you tackle Monday, Wednesday.
There's also a really cool one of us in the Marvel DC thing.
That's right, yeah.
Avengers coming
Which
up in this Tiger and I walking. That's a really cool one.
That was fun.
एक और सवाल आपसे ये कि जैसे अभी बात की मीम्स के बारे में, सो एक मीम है जो बहुत पॉपुलर हुआ है, मतलब you are responsible for bringing Marvel and DC together with Spider-Man and Wonder Woman.
We are.
Yeah. So what's your take on that?
I thought that was pretty cute and funny, and yeah, I'm really happy that whatever's been happening, we've been getting a lot of traction, from a lot of people, a lot of eyeballs, and very grateful that our trailer sort of created some sort of a stir on the internet.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Our next question.
Hi Tiger, this is Urvi here to your hi.
Hi.
On the
Hi.
left. Yeah.
Since we all know you are a very good dancer, did you have any inputs in terms of the choreography of this song?
No, I really didn't have any inputs. I was just doing what I was told. I'd like to thank, Remo sir, of course, his team, Piyush, Rahul Shetty, and Shazia, of course, who handled the girls. Yeah.
Tara and Ananya, I both have a question for you both also. Since it was your debut film, and this song, which is already a popular song, R.D. Burman song, were you all nervous when it came to performing on this?
Actually, more than nervous, I think we were really looking forward to it because it's such a famous song. It's a song everyone has heard. The fact that Student of the Year 2 gets to have this song is a huge deal. We were so excited. We were rehearsing, and it's just surreal to be able to dance to a song like this.
And I think because we maintained Kishorda's voice, it just felt even more magical. And the video of the song, the old video, there was no dancing to it. Like there was a car and the bike,
cute and
it was
sweet,
very cute and sweet. Yeah. So I think this dancing adds like a lot of fun to it. So yeah, I'm very excited.
Hi. Yeah, hi, Jyoti. Hi. This side, to the corner.
कहाँ पर है?
इधर.
Okay.
Yeah, hi, Jyoti from Movies Adda. First of all, fabulous song, of course, and all of you are looking very gorgeous. But मेरा question तारा और अनन्या के लिए है because Tiger के comparatively, dance करना उनके साथ is very tough. He's too good. He's just too good. तो उनके साथ dance करना, adding to that question, तो कितना ज़्यादा tough था उनके level को थोड़ा match कर पाना? Was it tough for you? Was it a pressure?
It's impossible to match Tiger's level. Firstly, he rehearses so much, and even though he's so good, he rehearses so much. So when we're looking at him on set and he's rehearsing, we're just like, what are we doing? Because he's perfect.
And also, every take is a perfect take. So if we mess up in the take, it's very stressful.
very stressful.
But he's very sweet, and he never makes us feel like, he's the best.
हाय तारा और अनन्या टाइगर यहाँ पर ज्योति मेरा सवाल ये है कि जब भी रिमिक्स सॉन्ग आते हैं तो क्रिटिसाइज़ किया जाता है क्योंकि ओल्ड वर्जन को लोग पसंद करते हैं तो ऐसे में आप लोग प्रिपेयर हैं कि सॉन्ग कितना लोगों को पसंद आएगा कितना प्रेशर था पूरा शॉट वो करने के लिए और इसके बाद जब आप लोगों के सामने आ जाएगा तो वो कितना मतलब आप रेडी हैं इस चीज़ को लेकर
मैम प्रेशर तो बिल्कुल नहीं था क्योंकि हम ये नहीं कह रहे कि यार हम मतलब एक रीमेक करने जा रहे हैं हम एक ट्रिब्यूट देना चाह रहे थे उन लेजेंड्स को सो इट्स नॉट लाइक वी मीन टू रिप्लेस देम और इट्स जस्ट आवर टेक एंड आवर ट्रिब्यूट टुवर्ड्स देम दैट्स ऑल सो इन नो वेज दैट्स बाउंड टू हैपन बट इन नो वेज कैन वी कंपेयर टू द ओरिजिनल
टाइगर हियर टाइगर
हाँ जी मैम कहाँ पर
हाँ जी यहाँ
या हाय
ये जो सॉन्ग है इसमें आपने स्टेप्स तो लाजवाब किए हैं
Thank you.
लेकिन जहाँ तक गाने का सवाल है
जी।
तो ये आपकी जो रियल पर्सनालिटी है उससे बिल्कुल मैच करता नहीं है
जी बिल्कुल
आप थोड़े से शाय हैं तो इस तरह की लाइंस कभी अपने स्टूडेंट लाइफ में किसी को कही है
नहीं देखो, जैसे आपने कहा मैं बहुत शर्माता था और शर्माता हूँ, तो इट्स वेरी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम माई पर्सनैलिटी। पर बहुत ही शुक्रगुजार हूँ कि मुझे एक मौका मिला इस गाने पे परफॉर्म करने का मौका मिला मुझे, एंड आई गॉट टू एक्सप्रेस माई सेल्फ इन दैट वे।
तो थोड़ी घबराहट थी कि आपके टाइप का गाना नहीं है।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, घबराहट तो हमेशा होती है। सो आई थिंक इट्स जस्ट पार्ट एंड पार्सल ऑफ माई जॉब, एंड आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट ड्राइव्स मी। उससे मोटिवेशन मिलती है मुझे, मिलता है मुझे।